As you know, Monster Hunter now is similar to Niantic's popular Pokémon Go, in which the players moves through the game based on the physical location their phones. Therefore, if you are someone who works from home or rarely goes out for various reasons, then Monster Hunter now may not bring you much excitement. But with GPS location spoofing tool, you can easily simulate your actions in the game so you can play without leaving your home. So, in this video, we'll take a look at the most effective tools for Monster Hunter Now spoofing, which called Old Phone iOS Location Changer. It allows you to alter the GPS location on your iPhone, granting you the freedom to virtually teleport anywhere in the game, without physically moving. So follow me to install and open it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your PC. Here are the 4 functions. Feature 1. Change location. Feature 2. Single spot movement. Feature 3. Multi-spot movement. Feature 4. Joystick movement. You can use any of them in your game as needed. Here I will show you how to use change location and single spot movement features for Monster Hunter Now. Feature 1. Change location. In the first function, you can change your real-time location to anywhere. You can select any location you want to change on the map, or enter the place you want to go in the search box. And then click Start to modify. Wow, just like this. This feature can take you anywhere you want to go. Under normal circumstances, the effective time is 48 hours. But if it is restarted halfway, it will immediately return to the real position. Feature 2. Single spot movement. Select the start and end points. Old Phone Kit iOS Location Changer will automatically plan and generate a route, and let the phone's GPS positioning move along the route at a specified speed. You can adjust it according to your preference. Doesn't it look amazing? Go and try it. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.